What is up, guys? We are going to do some fireworks on 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Hopefully you guys have fun like last night. So we are going to do this. We didn't say what yeah. And that's what they look like.
Throw them out in the street though, 'cause I don't want them in the driveway.
So guys, we're about to do these smoke bombs. Hopefully it's not too loud for you guys. So let's do this purple one. We're gonna do it like right there. Wait, let me set it up like. Okay. Let me. Hold on.
There you go.
Okay. Why does that look kind of pinkish? Oh, now it's purple a bit. No, it's not. Why was that pink?
Do you want to do both
So
these
guys,
at the same time?
Yeah, we're gonna do these at the same time.
Hold this. Just don't poke me with it.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Here, I'll probably have to do this one.
Why is that becoming green? Oh. Green and blue.
Do you want to do your grenade?
Woo! So guys, are you ready? Hold on. Throw it, Dad. Whew. Dad. Oh.
It's a smoke grenade.
Woo! Dad, we're gonna do another grenade. Woo. Woo. Oh, that's a lot of smoke. Guys, we're gonna do that. Where is it? Oh, that was loud. That. Guys, we're gonna do a snake. So, smells like smoke, and I don't like it. Are you guys ready? Oh. So guys, we're gonna do the
tank
right there. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. Dad, hold this. Guys, we're gonna do this pooping chicken. Let's go. I smell smoke and I don't like it. Okay. Dad?
If you hold it right here, it's a little easier. Like, because you're not going to get burnt right there. Okay.
Guys, ready? You guys can see that. Can you hold this? Okay, we're doing another one. Okay, guys, we're gonna do a turtle. I don't like the smell of smoke. Hold on.
Do you want me to do it?
I want to do it. Okay. What do you think? Hold on, I'm zooming in. So I'm ready. Oh, I thought I was gonna die there. Wait.
There you go.
Woo!
Because I found a half a blunt.
Guys, we're gonna do red, white, and blue. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. I need to.
You ready?
Yeah. Ready? Guys? Red, white, red, white, and blue! Woo! Good ones over there, guys. Stop it.
Supposed to be sideways.
So, we're gonna do Bloody Monster. This is supposed to be what it looks like. I'm so excited.
You guys can
Guys, look up.
It is bloody. Oh, you can see the face. That was awesome.
Guys, we are going to do the lighthouse. Are you guys ready? Here's the lighthouse. There. Hopefully they don't light the thing on fire.
Alright, there we go. I found it. It's short. Okay.
Money bags. Guys, we're gonna do a zip one.